This is pissing me off about Switzerland already. Everything you have to pay for. Written out. Just get f***ed. They make you pay to park, which is fair enough. Whatever. But then the water doesn't work on the air. So you're like, well, you know, that's a bit of a piss take, isn't it? Considering Switzerland's going to be famous for having drinking water everywhere. Not so good. Right, mixing it up again now. This trip ain't off. It's like a flipping yo-yo. Basically I'm going back to Chamonix because I've been offered some work. It's only a few days, but might as well, I'm not that far away. Get some monies. So yeah, I'm not going to film the journey again because that'll be boring. So I shall see you in Chamonix. Yeah, we're back. So what's the crack? Well, been offered a little bit of work. Bit of building work, just a little job, a couple of days, so I would have been daft to turn it down. It's nothing major, just something easy, but might as well call up some of my old skills and I make a bit of money, try and, because like I was saying before, I've spent more than I wanted to, so if I do this it'll sort of cancel that out kind of thing then, won't it? So yeah, a bit yo-yoing at the minute, but that's just how it is, I suppose, isn't it? But yeah, so that's what's been cracking. I've just been round there now actually to the building thing, just having a chat and having a look at the job. How this is so weird. This is weird. Oh, this is the weirdest holiday of my life. You know, don't say it's dark because it's getting dark outside, and if I put the lights on with the window open it turns into a fishbowl in here pretty much. My friend's coming round again. I think I'm going to go into town and have some beers or something. I feel like I didn't really want to leave it here yet. Maybe I just left too early. I wasn't ready to go, so my brain wouldn't let me decide where I wanted to go. This is the first place actually in all of my travelling. Norway, you know, the first, everything. This is the first place that I've actually sort of felt, you know, like properly comfortable, just settled in kind of thing. I know it's because I've been here for not a million miles off 3 weeks. I don't know exactly how long. It's about 17 days or something. Genuinely, like, I did not expect this from France, and I just didn't even think about France. I was thinking further, like way down. Just everything about this country is just comfortable for vans. It really is. Yeah, I got a lot of comments on like the old videos about why am I travelling so fast and all of this kind of stuff. You don't get to experience the country. Actually, you know what? Now I kind of understand that. I didn't get it before. I was like, well, whatever. I'm driving through it. I'm seeing it, but no. It's only when you stop somewhere. So I've not just been in one spot here. It's the Chamonix Valley, and there's lots of towns all the way. I can have a bike. There she is. There she is. Yeah, but it's only when you stay somewhere for a little while that you really start to experience it properly. And that's what's happening there, I think, and it's bloody brilliant. I don't want to leave.
Have anything anymore? And I'm like, I'm going to run 10Ks. So I took rollerblade. And for a full week, I rollerblade.
So this bar I'm in right now is the one where you serve yourself. So use this card. Spray it on the face. Give a glass. Just pour your own beer. Weirdest thing ever. Proper nice beer, mate.